Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you, bye! Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.